Castillo Motorsports, your BMW repair specialist. We take care of all your BMW needs. Mechanical engineering done by master, certified technicians. We service anti-lock brake systems, any and all engine repairs from top to bottom. Suspension, full service from A to Z. BMW is our specialty. Professional workmanship delivered every time. German engineering experts on your side. BMW technicians with over 20 years experience. And we only use OEM BMW parts. We service all models, from newer models to older models, classics or fresh off the lot. All models, expert service with guaranteed results. Programming issues? No problem. We are Empower experts. Castillo. All electrical problems, locking mechanisms, coding, diagnostic, reprogramming. We are the Beamer Pros. Give us a call and schedule an appointment at 718-583-8787. Castillo Motorsports. Hablamos español.